What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. Today I'm back on the old 77 square body. Just going to put in some plugs. Going to be kind of a short video, but as you can tell, they could use some new plugs. So we're going to put in some new plugs, go from there. Hopefully it'll run a little bit better. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, y'all. So first, just going to take off the easiest one to get out for y'all to be able to see. I don't know exactly what to gap these at, so this is what I always do. If I can get my ratchet to work. And of course. Oh! Alright, so first we're going to take out the old plug. And when we get it out, we're going to see what it's gapped at and copy that. I mean, honestly, the truck ran good and everything. I probably don't have to put in new plugs, but I mean, what the hey. Alright. Alright, so that's what the plug looks like. Not bad, but we'll go off of that. Gap it maybe a little bit smaller than what it is due to it being used and everything. The new ones is going to be a tighter gap. But that's normally what I do. Just go off what's in the engine already. Maybe a little bit smaller just because it's new. Alright, so I'm going to get this out and get back with you. Alright, so got the plug out. Basically, I take my trusty feeler gauge. I always keep it on my keychain at all times. So I take my feeler gauge and hang on. Trying to see what I'm doing here. Alright, I'm gonna guess probably about 35 thousandths is what we want to be at, and that's where we're at. So that's what I'm gonna go with. Gap each plug before I put it in 35, and should be good to go. That's how easy it is. Alright, first plug we have these AC Delco rapid fire performance spark plugs. So I'm gonna go ahead and gap this. Alright. That one is gapped. Go ahead and start these by hand. Can't hardly reach in here. Alright, there we go. Alright. Now that we got that started by hand, just gonna finish snugging it up. And I don't put these in terribly tight. I just more or less torque them a little bit just to snug them. But that's basically it. Just like so. And you're good to go. That's one down. Like I said, I just done the easiest one for y'all to be able to see. But there you go. There's one. This time it's kind of tricky. Kind of get maneuvering down in there. I don't know if I got it right or not, but it was kind of tricky. But besides that, it was pretty easy. Putting in plugs in general is a pretty easy job. Just gap them and you should be good to go. I checked over my wires. They appear, you know, pretty good. So I'm gonna leave the wires for right now. I'll change them at a later point in time. But anyways, that's all for today's video. We're gonna clean it up and get it cranked up in the next video. Been working on fuel cell. I got the fittings, which was a pain in the butt to find and buy because I ordered the wrong ones, had to send them back. So getting this on the road and driving is going to be a big relief because it's been a pain getting everything that I need. My compressor here is locked up, so I want AC, might as well change that, but I'm a country boy, so I ain't really too worried about it at this time. So even though it is summer down in South Carolina, I don't know, I grew up without it, so I don't know, I'm old school. Alright, well, that's where I'm in it today. Got in new plugs, so that's a one job done anyways. Alright, thank everybody for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Comment what y'all think and everything like that. Y'all be blessed.